The new Text Plus edit tools within the viewer is a great way to modify your different titles. If we're just using the Text Plus straight out of Fusion, it's pretty easy, but if we start to use different titles that were built in Fusion that are a little more complicated, it does get kind of confusing using these new tools, but I'll at least show you how they work. So let's add on just a normal Text Plus. So we'll come over here into titles, grab Text Plus, and we will add that on. So this is using the Text Plus node built in Fusion. And if we come over here, we can see all of those settings. And to see anything in the viewer, you always want to come down to this little drop down and it gives you different options. So we'll enable the Fusion overview. And from here, by just double clicking, it'll automatically give us a cursor so that we can start to modify the title. Just double clicking in here allows us to modify the title and moving around just like that. The other thing that was also added in is the ability to manipulate within the viewer the position of the different letters. So I'll quickly show you that. If I come down here into title and then turn on allow manual positioning, now we'll get these little boxes below all of our letters. We can simply highlight them and easily move them just like that to a different position. So that's great. That is just using the default Text Plus title within DaVinci Resolve. Quickly show you that on the cut page as well, how to do that. So let's just grab a new one. And we'll just grab the new one here. And I'll quickly show you. We click this little button. And then right over here, we have a new Fusion, the overlay. So we'll go like that. And here we have the same exact thing where we can type. You can also right click, allow manual positioning, and then you can manually move them. If for some reason things kind of get crazy where you have letters all over the place and you need to reset them, you can always come over to your inspector, clicking the advanced controls, and then come down here to manual positioning and then just click the clear all, and that will take it all back to the default. So let's go back over to the edit page and let me show you how things get kind of weird. So if I come up here to the edit, all titles for the most part are built using the Text Plus node within Fusion. So I can grab anything. So let's grab this simple, clean, simple. And we'll just go like this. And now if we try to use that Text Plus, we can see that it is showing two of them and they're in different positions. But if I click up top, it seems like it's just in a different location. And that's just because of how it was built. There's some type of transform behind the scenes, which makes it a little confusing. And I believe I have another one. Here's another perfect example of doing this. For this one, this is actually just a generator, but it uses that Text Plus node. So I can double click in here and we can see it's kind of offset, but I can easily add in my letters. But then once we get to the end over here, it switches over to a different Text Plus node how the title itself was built. So clicking in here, we can go between the letters, but as of right now, we can't actually type because it's still typing in that first node. So we would still have to open this up and then type in here if I wanted that to change. So there's a couple of limitations, but if you're just using just the Text Plus, it is pretty easy to manipulate your titles using these new overlays. So those are the new overlays for the Text Plus. If you're curious about any of the other updates that were introduced in DaVinci Resolve 19, jump over to Post Pro List where we're discussing all the different updates within DaVinci Resolve. But with that being said, my name's Justin Robinson. Thanks so much for watching this one. Till next one, guys. See ya.